In this video, I'm going to show you how you can convert your Android phone into iPhone. So without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. First thing you need to do is to download this application from the Play Store called Phone 14 Launcher OS 16. Once the application is downloaded and installed, open it. Click on Get Started. Give all the necessary permissions that are required to run the application. In this list of applications, search for Phone Launcher and enable it. Again, click on Agree. Once again, search for Phone Launcher. Click on Allow. Now select your theme and click on Get Started. Wait for a few moments. And that's it. Your Android phone now just looks like an iPhone. So that was it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.